The month of April right around the corner. Do we have some anticipated drops for next month? Some might say yes, some might say no, but we gonna talk about it right after this.
She want that Birkin, on the gram she twerking. Get your feelings hurt for lurking, that fat for certain. Let me see you poke it out. Let me see it, let me see it. Let me see what that's about. Let me see it, let me see it. Her main goal, get the.
What's going on, La Familia gang? It's your boy Moises. Welcome back to the channel. And before we get started, if you could just make sure you hit the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell icon, so when I drop new content, you guys will be the first one to know, and so you can become part of the La Familia gang. So what we're going to be talking about in this video is the drops for the month of April, as far as the Yeezy lineup goes. So for the Yeezy lineup of April 2022, now just keep in mind, some of these dates are subject to change, but for the first release on April 7th, we have the Quantum Monocarbon. Now this is a totally miss for me. The sneaker's trash. I'm just gonna keep it 100 with you. I don't even know why this is even anything Kanye even thought about making. The sneaker's trash. So that's a no for me. I'm not sure if it's a good for you guys, but it's a no for me. So that's going to be retailing for $260. That is insane to me. That sneaker is not even worth $150. So April 9th, we got the bad boys. You know what I'm saying? We got the 350 Zebras coming back with another restock on April 9th. And it's supposed to be a retail for $230. Now, the Zebra 350 has restocked a lot in the past decade. I still think it's still a dope sneaker. It's still one of my favorite 350 models. Let me know what you guys think. But I might be just copping another pair because I haven't even worn that pair right there. And I got those back in 2018. I still haven't even got them. As you can see, I still got the tags. No cap. I still got the tags on these bad boys. I haven't even, I can lick the bottom, you know what I'm saying? I haven't even worn these joints. So I might get another one just so I can start wearing them joints and just have them joints just in the box, chilling out. So those are gonna be dropping April 9th. They're supposed to be retailing for about $230, which is not bad. It's still $10 up from what it used to be, but that's not bad. And then we have the new Sulfur foam runners that's going to be dropping in April. Now I've been trying to get a pair of foam runners for a minute now for retail. I'm not trying to pay on the aftermarket because them joints be going for like $90 adults, and then on the aftermarket on StockX and GOAT and Flight Club they be almost like $300. It's crazy. So I haven't gotten a pair of foam runners yet. I've been wanting the pair. I like the red joints. I like the white joints. And they saying that a black pair is supposed to be coming out hopefully sometime this year, but it hasn't been confirmed yet. But we have the Sulfur foam runners dropping in April also. Them joints, fire. I think this is gonna be probably the best drop for Yeezy in April. Even though I do like the Zebra 350s, I think these are gonna be the best drop. So we're gonna have to see, you know, how that goes. They don't have a date yet, but it is gonna be dropping in full family size. Adults is gonna be 90, kids is gonna be 65, and infants and toddlers is gonna be $45. So you know the foam runners is a hot ticket. You know them joints go fast. So as soon as you can, as soon as they pop up and confirm, make sure you get your ticket in, you know, so you can get your raffle in, get all the raffles in on all of the sneaker websites that's gonna be selling them, because them joints is gonna go crazy. Moving on to the last drop of April as of right now that's being reported, we're gonna have the Geo 700. Those are cool. They cool, you know what I'm saying? They're the black and gray. They look like black and gray and silver kind of joints. Those is cool. Be dropping in full family size also. The Retail for adults is gonna be $230. Kids is gonna be $160, and then you got your infants and toddlers at $140. But yeah, man, I'm really looking forward towards the zebras and the sulfur foam runners. Really think the sulfur foam runners is gonna be fire, man. They haven't missed to me yet with the foam runners, and the way Kanye's really been innovating the sneaker game, it's been crazy. Let me know if you're gonna cop anything in April. I'm gonna be doing a review on the Zebra 350s. So make sure you guys check that out. Make sure you guys check out my last video, and make sure you follow me on Instagram, man. So you can know when I'm dropping new videos and things like that. I'm gonna have it on my story, and so you can see the drip of how I put that thing together. You know what I'm saying? So make sure you hit the like, hit the subscribe, hit the bell icon. Get with the movement, the La Familia Gang movement. Become part of the family. You know what I'm saying? We a family out here, and we recruiting. You know what I mean? So come rock with your boy Moises. I appreciate y'all. Y'all stay blessed, be easy, and I'll see y'all on the next one.
She want that Birkin. On the gram, she twerking. Get your feelings hurt for lurking. That fat for certain. Let me see you poke it up. Let me see it. Let me see it. Let me see what that's about. Let me see it.